AlignFaith CRM is gaining attention as a church management software, but there are 12 key things you need to know before making a purchase decision, especially if you want to compare it to other platforms and choose the right one for your ministry. Stick around, and we'll also share a recommended alternative that you can try for free. First off, AlignFaith CRM is designed to simplify managing your church's operations. Its clean and intuitive interface makes it easier for users to get started compared to more complex systems like ACS technologies, though it may lack some advanced customization options. Next thing, the software includes a strong suite of communication tools. You can send bulk emails, SMS, and manage newsletters directly. While other platforms like Planning Center have similar tools, AlignFaith's setup is simpler and less overwhelming for smaller teams. The third thing to know is its donor management features. AlignFaith allows you to track donations, create reports, and set up recurring giving options. However, it's worth noting that competitors like Tithe.li have more robust online giving tools with better integrations for apps and websites. The fourth thing is the built-in volunteer management. You can schedule volunteers and assign tasks directly through the platform. This feature is comparable to what Breeze offers, though AlignFaith provides slightly fewer options for handling larger, more complex schedules. Next, AlignFaith CRM provides a detailed membership database. You can track attendance, organize small groups, and keep records updated. While it's solid for small and medium-sized churches, tools like Church Community Builder offer deeper insights and more customization for larger congregations. The sixth thing is its event management system. AlignFaith lets you create and manage events, track RSVPs, and communicate with attendees. It's great for straightforward event planning, but doesn't match the advanced scheduling capabilities of Planning Center for larger or multi-location churches. Seventh, AlignFaith's reporting tools are highly functional. You can generate detailed financial and attendance reports. While they're not as advanced or customizable as some competitors like ChurchTrack, they're sufficient for most churches looking for core insights. The eighth thing to consider is its mobile capabilities. AlignFaith works well on mobile devices, though the experience isn't as polished as dedicated apps like those from Breeze or Fellowship One. It's fine for basic tasks, but may feel limited for power users. Next thing, AlignFaith integrates with key third-party tools like QuickBooks for accounting and MailChimp for email campaigns. While these integrations cover the essentials, it doesn't offer as many connection options as competitors like Fellowship One. The 10th thing is AlignFaith's pricing structure. It's positioned as an affordable solution, which is a big plus for budget-conscious churches. However, the lower price may come with trade-offs, as its feature set isn't as expansive as premium options like PushPay. The 11th thing to note is customer support. AlignFaith offers live chat, email, and a resource library for users. While response times are generally fast, competitors like Church Community Builder offer more personalized onboarding and training services. Finally, AlignFaith CRM is cloud-based, so you can access it anywhere with an internet connection. While this is standard for most modern church management platforms, it ensures you don't have to worry about local installations or data backups. Overall, AlignFaith CRM is a good option, especially for small to mid-sized churches that need an affordable, user-friendly platform. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution with advanced features and broader integrations, check out our recommended alternative. It's free to try and could be a better fit for your church.